Right. Now, let me show you how to link your Airbnb with your Lodgify so that your calendars are synced up properly. So if somebody books in Airbnb, then your Lodgify calendar gets blocked. And if somebody books from Lodgify or any other platforms you may have connected, then your Airbnb calendar gets blocked, or any of your um, other channels will also get blocked. So in Lodgify, you're going to go to menu and you're going to go to channel manager. That will bring you to this page right now. So I'm just going to go over the connection between Airbnb and Lodgify, and I'm specifically using basic because I'm not going to get into it right now, but I'm going to do it with the basic connection, not the professional connection. So let's get to it. So when you click on it, you're going to see this come up to the side. So I'm going to first export the Lodgify calendar to Airbnb. So I'm going to choose the listing I want. Let's just choose this one. Looks good. So, and notice that this little URL comes up. So I want to copy that. Okay. Now you're going to go into your listing in Airbnb, and you're going to go under availability. So go under your availability settings and scroll all the way to the bottom, right there where it says sync calendars. So again, in Lodgify, we're under export calendar because we're exporting the calendar out of Lodgify, and we're importing the calendar into Airbnb. So click import. This is where you're going to paste that URL that you just copied. Just go ahead and paste it right there. And you're going to name your calendar. So this I'm just going to name Lodgify. Okay, and you're going to click import calendar. It's that simple. So now you have it there. And now let's export the Airbnb calendar. So I'm going to select export and I'm going to copy this. All right. And so this is an iCal calendar, right? And now we're going to go to Lodgify and we're going to import from Airbnb. So we're going to add mapping, and you're going to paste that URL that you got from Airbnb. You're going to paste it right here. And now this is very important. You still have to choose the correct one. So this is the one that we chose before. That has to match. And you're going to click save, and it will show up here. And yeah, that's where you want it to show up. So that is how you connect your Airbnb basic connection from Lodgify into Airbnb. All right, perfect.